Hey everyone, today we are going to be looking at the Dev Diaries room. It's OSINT based, very short, really easy. Um, so let's go to the challenge. We have just launched a website developed by a freelance developer. The source code was not shared with us, and the developer has since disappeared without handing it over. Despite this, traces of the development process and earlier versions of the website may still exist online. You are only given the website's primary domain as a starting point. Okay? We have the primary domain. Let's see if we can visit the website. Okay, that isn't working. But the first question says, what is the subdomain where the development version of the website is hosted? So since we're looking for subdomain, immediately we know we are going to use Merklemap. So we see the subdomains, the host name and the common name. The common name of the website is uattesting.marvenly.com. So that's what we are going to use. Okay, next question says, what is the GitHub username of the developer? So first of all, we're going to see what is on the website, the subdomain we're given. Okay, it opens the website and scrolling through it, we see at the bottom, website developed by Not Vibe Coder 23. So just to check on GitHub, we are going to search for the name. This confirms the GitHub username to be Not Vibe Coder 23. So that's our answer. Great. Now the next question says, what is the developer's email address? Now this is a bit tricky. So we're going to need PowerShell, or you can use Kali Linux or whatever terminal you have. But I am going to be using PowerShell. What we are going to do now is we're going to clone the repo. Now we see the repo for the website, Marvelous site, and we're just going to copy the link. Go back to your terminal, you type git clone, and you put the web link, the repo link. So we have successfully cloned the repo, and now we want to get into the folder. So first of all, ls. So this is the folder marvenly_site. So we are going to get into that. Now the next thing we are going to do is check the log. So git log. Okay, now this shows us all the commit logs, and right here we see the email address freelance dev by coda23@gmail.com. So that's the answer. So the next says, what reason did the developer mention in the commit history for removing the source code? So we're going to go to the commit history on Git. So these are all the commits made, and you can go through them individually, but this is the commit where the source code was removed. And the reason stated there is the project was marked as abandoned due to a payment dispute. So that's the answer. And here the last question says, what is the value of the hidden flag? So to find the hidden flag, we're going to go through all the commits individually, and eventually we find it here where the signature was removed. Here it says removed the signature, but I'm leaving something as my hidden signature. Now this is the flag. Okay, and we're done with that. That's the end of the room. I hope this walkthrough was helpful, and see you in the next one.